one, isang salita.
Yung mga products na
Please don't forget to click
like and subscribe button.
Today we will be cooking Sweet's grilled pork. To marinate, we need the following: some minced garlic, some crushed ginger, black pepper, lemon or calamansi juice. You're also gonna need honey for its sweetness. And this soy sauce. Don't forget, of course, the meat. Let's do this. So of course, you have to prepare a bigger bowl for you to do all the marinating procedures. Don't forget to wash your hands. Add the garlic and ginger first, because you need to assure that they will all be able to cover the entire meat. Next, put the black pepper, followed by the honey. The calamansi juice or the lemon, and the soy sauce. So it's better to use your bare hands when you are marinating the meat. Keep it for 24 hours straight. After 24 hours, it's time to cook.
Galing lang.
Wala pa kutsara pinindor.
Wala pa rin kutsara. Ay lang ka, wala pa rin kutsara pinidor. Hi, sweeties! Okay, mga unta. So, tilawan na to ang pork grilled recipe ni Nailan.
Okay, so
Pangitin na. Daw. Joke! Ate ka? Okay, ayaw. Okay, ayaw ko na story ha.
Siyempre, mas masarap pag lalagay pa natin sa sauce.
Kasi hilig ko halang dira.
O, tikman mo pa ulit.
Gusto na ko i-share sa inyo na si Sir Don, isa sa talent niya kay do the cooking. O, lami ka na siya maluto, mayo ka na siya maluto, o haha, kaya. Ano kayo ka nang gabi siya ka juicy. Meron kang mayo kayo ang pagkatimpla, murag pang mahalo na restaurant bitaw. Pwede na. Pwede na ito mag-restaurant.
Soon.
Okay.
The future.
Hey guys, so, for sure, brisket han, feeling na ko.
Raka.
Masyag brisket. Katry na mo ng brisket, guys. Kasi lami kayo. Masyag brisket na lasa kayo. Pwede sa ilalom, humok siya. Bye! Thank you for watching.